you save a life, you save a universe. Today, hundreds of doctors, pharmacists, nurses will start their work in health institutions and home and abroad. With passion and professionalism, they will begin to practice the noblest profession, which they have studied for years, and become fond of for life, and will devotedly and responsibly monitor the health of people. Nicolae Testemițanu State University of Medicine and Pharmacy is the only higher education institution in the country that trains specialists for the national health system as well as for other states. The university is internationally accredited according to the standards of the World Federation for Medical Education. At the same time, the Faculty of Stomatology holds the accreditation of the Dental Board of California, USA. About 5,700 students from the Republic of Moldova and 35 other countries study at Nicolae Testemițanu University. They aspire to become doctors, pharmacists, and highly specialized professionals in the healthcare field. The university offers undergraduate, integrated, master's, doctoral, residency, clinical fellowship, and continuing medical education programs at the faculties of Medicine Number 1, Medicine Number 2, Stomatology, Pharmacy, Residency, School of Management in Public Health, Doctoral School in Health Sciences. For 77 years, the University of Medicine has trained over 47,000 doctors and pharmacists, promoting values such as quality, excellence, and achievement. The university passes on the students both solid knowledge and essential skills, providing excellent conditions for studies and research, classrooms and research laboratories endowed with advanced equipment, a rich library that grants access to a wide range of resources and information services in the field of medicine and pharmacy. The training is conducted in 4 languages: Romanian, Russian, English, and French, by over 1,200 highly qualified teachers, academicians, and doctors of sciences. Due to the first interactions with patients and the skills acquired at the University Center of Simulation and Medical Training, the students, future doctors, come to understand that behind the siren of an ambulance, there is the struggle of life. The practical activity of students takes place at 95 university clinics located in Republican and municipal health institutions. In the framework of international partnerships and projects, the university offers its study beneficiaries various opportunities for internships and foreign medical institutions and clinics under academic mobility programs. The university campus comprises 15 hotels for students and resident physicians, 2 sports complexes, an outdoor playground, and recreation area with free Wi-Fi. Medical students practice various sports: volleyball, badminton, football, basketball, chess, checkers, arm wrestling, athletics, shaping, and boxing. Moreover, students had the opportunity to study at the university driving school and to obtain a Category B driving license. The educational offer for undergraduate studies 5 years includes the following specialties: public health, optometry, nursing, radiological technology, physiokinetotherapy, and rehabilitation. If you opt for integrated higher education, you can apply to the following programs: medicine, stomatology, pharmacy. For master's studies, you can choose from among the programs: public health management, molecular technologies in health, human nutrition, clinical optometry, public mental health. All study programs are nationally accredited, while medicine, stomatology, and pharmacy programs are in the process of international accreditation. Considered the noblest professions, doctors, pharmacists, and nurses have been always in high demand. If you want to pursue a career related to people's health, we are waiting for you at Nicolae Testemițanu State University of Medicine and Pharmacy to help you achieve your goal. Study one of the noblest professions for a prosperous future.